Good afternoon to one and all present here. Happy welcome to the 10th day Freshers Induction segment of the online orientation of students' extension activities. Today, the 23rd of September, that is Wednesday, we are with the 10th day program to be conducted by three clubs in succession. First, we start with Citizen Consumer Club, then Placement Cell and Students Counseling. I am very much happy to deliver the welcome address on behalf of our college. Hearty welcome to our most esteemed General Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Manjit Singh Nair, with whose blessings and guidance we have been going on with all our programs in the college. My sincere welcome to our beloved principal, Dr. M.G. Raghunathan, whose guidance guides us all through. Hearty welcome to you, sir. We have the controller of examinations, Dr. Radhashri, who has been supporting us in all our programs. Hearty welcome to you, madam. And today we have two facilitators with us, the stalwarts of our college, Dr. M.K. Shakila and Dr. V.P. Nedunjalian, sir. Hearty welcome to you both. Dr. M.K. Shakila is the Dean Admin of Management, and Dr. V.P. Nedunjalian, sir, is the Head Department of Defense and Strategic Studies. I heartily welcome both of you to felicitate as well as facilitate us on this day, the freshers of a 2020-21 batch, the Golden Jubilee Year batch. And we have the staff coordinators of all the three clubs. To start with, we have Dr. N. Malati, the Dean of Humanities, School of Humanities. Hearty welcome to you, madam.
Thank you.
She has been holding programs for Citizen Consumer Club in the best way possible by inviting all great people who are working with the consumerism. Hearty welcome to you, madam. Your efforts are very, very commendable, and we are very happy about your performance in Citizen Consumer Club. Now that she has been promoted as a Dean School of Humanities, she will be sharing the duty with Dr. Amritalingam, our Assistant Professor of Commerce, Shift 2. Hearty welcome to you, sir. So you will be taking over the torch from Dr. Malati from now on. So hearty welcome to you. He is a very seasoned professor. He has got lots of talents, and he has been helping us, especially in prize distribution. We can never forget Dr. Amritalingam, whose efforts are extraordinary. Thank you so much for your presence. We have the placement cell coordinator, Mrs. M.L. Maya Lakshmi, Head Department of BCom Marketing Management. Hearty welcome to you, madam. You are a specialist in webinars, especially during lockdown period, conducting so many international programs, inviting the great vice chancellors and great officers, the senior officers from UGC. And really, I was very much astonished, and I've been repeatedly telling Maya to continue with her good work. Hearty welcome to you, madam. So you'll be presenting on the placement cell, and now we have a very poised woman of the college, Dr. Shanti, the Head Department of Master Social Work, who is in charge of students counseling. Hearty welcome to you, madam. And we know the potential of yours, and you have been doing a lot for us, especially in the Master Social Work. And I'm very much happy to welcome all the heads of the departments of all 23 UG departments and 9 PG departments. Without your support, we cannot do anything. Hearty welcome to all heads. And we have the members, the majestic members of all the departments who have been joining hands with the troop commander, the head of the department, in doing any activity. In the morning, we are busy with the bridge course. In the afternoon, we are busy with students' online activities. We are busy with the online exams. And I know how busy you are. Despite all your busy schedule, you have come forward to grace this occasion. Hearty welcome to you. And we have two eminent hosts of the program for a newly started YouTube channel of Guru Nanak College, Mr. Satish and Mr. Arun. Hearty welcome to you both, young gentlemen. And here we have the freshers. As usual, I always have great inspiration towards our freshers who have been in large number. This year, 2020, is synonymous with the strength of our college, the freshers. Again, we have 2020 freshers. So we cannot forget this batch, the Golden Jubilee batch. Every year we have 2020 in our strength. So hearty welcome to all the freshers, your parents and relatives who are with you watching this program. This program is going to throw light on three important activities of the club. Citizen Consumer Club, where we have to know lots and lots about consumer behavior, consumerism, the value of a consumer, where we have to show our attention, where we have to focus in consumerism, where not to be cheated, where to be very careful. So many details Dr. Malati will be presenting in her presentation. And we have Mrs. Maya Lakshmi, who is the most wanted person, especially from December to March. She'll be damn busy in the college conducting placements, and all the students will be running after her because she has been playing the role of a bridge between industry and academia. So really, you are going to learn a lot from her presentation. And we have our students counselor, the head department of MSW, Mrs. Dr. Shanti, who will be sharing with you the activities of our students counseling. Now, with these few words, I just heartily welcome all of you. And to begin our program, I heartily welcome our Dr. M.K. Shakila, Dean Admin Management, to kindly deliver the facilitator's address of this program. Madam, please.
Thank you, Dr. Kalanidhi. Good evening to all. My sincere appreciation to Dr. Kalanidhi for organizing a program with such a grandeur. Congratulations to Dr. Malati and Mr. Amrithalingam for coordinating the Citizen Consumer Club activities. We are all consumers for some product or the other. We get satisfied with few products and some annoy us. It could be goods, it could be services. With the help of Citizen Consumer Club, you will be empowered as a consumer. The program will be an eye-opener for many of you. And in turn, it's your responsibility to empower your family, friends, and society with the information that you get from the Citizen Consumer Club of Guru Nanak College.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak to the new group. At the outset, it is my pleasure that being invited to address this gathering. First, I have to thankful to our beloved Secretary and Correspondent, sir. Then, ever smiling, our Principal, sir, Dr. M.G. Raghunathan. And another person, whenever anybody organize, the first person who will never become tired to attend it, Dr. L.R.S. Kalanidhi, madam, and other distinguished invitees, professors, and students. Thank you very much. And indeed, we have been doing so many works, so many facilities, so many arrangements for the students. We are all for the students only, for their life. And the students' affairs, Citizen Consumer Club, placement cell, etc. and all other facilities we are organizing only for the students. It is our happiness, our objective, and our prospects, all for the students only. We are happy to see our students settling well in their life, having good scores in their examinations. We will be also happy. And thank you, ma'am, for inviting me to give this speech. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir, for having spared your precious time, first of all, despite your busy schedule. Thank you for your encouraging words of motivation.
The US government, especially the former president, John F. Kennedy, introduced Consumer Protection Act in 1962, March 15th. And he announced this March 15th, every year it should be celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. By celebrating this Consumer Rights Day, all the consumers will come to know, they will have the awareness, and the protection can be taken place. Like that, John F. Kennedy assumed, and they also started to celebrate the Consumer Rights Day on March 15th from 1962 onwards.
About consumerism. Now we move on to the next important segment, that is placement cell, which is going to fetch you jobs. Once before you get your degree, placement cell guarantees you with a job offer, not only from one company, from many other companies. So now, may I now invite on all your behalf that Mrs. M.L. Maya Lakshmi, the staff coordinator of a placement cell, to kindly present her presentation. Thank you, ma'am. Please.
the present era, campus placements holds a great importance for students and educational institutions. While it helps a student in building a strong foundation for the professional career ahead without facing the real world job struggle, peer competition, or family pressure. A good placement record gives a competitive advantage to an institute, university in the educational market. Placements have gradually become an integral part of an institute's offerings, which was not the scenario earlier. Nowadays, students pay special attention to placement records while selecting a college or university for the admission.
Now we have the final segment with Dr. K. Shanti, Head Department of Master Social Work, the Staff Coordinator of Students Counseling. May we listen to her straight now? Thank you, Madam. Please.
So, health is a state of physical, mental, and social well being. Mental health is not a mental illness. Like physical health, we have to take care of our mental health. The mental health problems are stress, anxiety, depression, post traumatic stress disorder, eating disorder, self harm, suicidal ideation. These are some of the major problems faced by the students, and they need support to overcome these. That is where the counseling plays an important role in students' life.
Now, one by one, we have been showcasing whatever facilities we have in the college. And in today's program, we have had a very great number of people sitting with us. First of all, I thank the principal for having given us permission to conduct this program. He gave us this suggestion to introduce all these activities to the students even before the college reopens or opens for them. So thank you very much, sir, for your timely advice and suggestion to conduct the program successfully. And my sincere thanks to the controller of examinations for their tireless support in conducting the programs. And we have all the deans, we have got 10 schools, and all the deans deserve special appreciation, including today we have Dr. Malati sitting with us, the Dean of Humanities. And my special thanks to the facilitators, Dr. V.P. Nedunjalian, Head Department of Defense and Strategic Studies. Today, mock exam is going on for the department, but despite the busy schedule, he came forward to bless all the freshers and facilitate this thing. And hearty thanks to the Dean Admin Management, Dr. M.K. Shakila, for her beautiful presentation in her presentation. Thank you so much, madam, for your arrival, despite your busy schedule in MBA department and in your management departments. And my special and sincere thanks to smiling staff coordinators here, the staff coordinator of Citizen Consumer Club, Dr. N. Malati, and Dr. Amirda Lingam from Department of Commerce, Shift 2. We have the placement cell staff coordinator, Mrs. M.L. Maya Rashmi, who gave a very detailed description of the roles and responsibilities of the placement cell, because everyone will ultimately culminate with her placement cell. All the students, when they come to third year, they will definitely meet her and get the insights and inputs, and they will be participating in all the interviews, and she will be enhancing, she will be bridging the gap between the industry's needs and the academic, here our output, that is the students, the eligible students for the interviews. And next, my sincere thanks goes to the students' counselor, the Head Department of Master Social Work, Dr. K. Shanti, for your patience. First of all, I should thank you for being very patient till the end of the program, and that it shows that you're the apt counselor who will tolerate the unforeseen circumstances here. And we are really hard-pressed of time, because from 26th onwards the online exams will start, and hence we have compressed all the programs to culminate on 25th.